The High Court sitting in Botshabelo has sentenced 4 people for the brutal and premeditated murder of 35-year-old teacher Fezile Mnyobisi, bringing an end to a case that shocked the Botshabelo community and the nation. The court handed life imprisonment to Fezile's wife, Halimna Tamando Mnyobisi, 38 years old, after finding that she orchestrated the murder of her husband. 2 convicted hitmen, Vusimuzi Daniel Ngele, who's 43 years old, and Moiketsi Innocent Manko, who's 35 years old, also received life sentence for their roles in the killing. A 4th accused, Abdul Raham Tamando, who's 35 years old, who is the deceased brother-in-law, was sentenced to 20 years imprisonment for his involvement in the murder case. All 4 were convicted for premeditated murder under Section 51.1, Part 1 of Schedule 2 of the Criminal Law Amendment Act 105 of 1997, one of South Africa's most serious criminal offences. The tragic events unfolded on the 15th of September 2023, when police in Botshabelo received an emergency call from a local hospital. Officers were informed that Fezile Mnyobisi, a respected teacher at Refihlile Primary School, had been rushed to hospital by his wife in a private vehicle. Sadly, doctors declared him dead on arrival. Investigators soon discovered that Fezile had suffered more than 30 stab wounds to his upper body, indicating an extremely violent and deliberate attack. Police initially opened a case of murder and robbery, while investigators worked to establish exactly what had happened. As the investigation progressed, detectives from the Provincial Criminal Record and Crime Scene Management Unit, together with the Investigate Psychology Section, uncovered evidence pointing to a carefully planned assassination. More than a year after the murder, on the 8th of November 2024, police arrested allegedly hitman Vusimuzi Daniel Ngele and Moiketsi Innocent Manko on charges of murder and conspiracy to commit murder. Further investigations led to the arrest of the deceased brother-in-law, Abdul Raham Tamando, who was also linked to the conspiracy. The final breakthrough came on 26 November 2024 when intelligence-led operations tracked down Halima Tamando Mnyobisi, who had allegedly gone into hiding after learning that police were closing in on her. She was arrested at a luxury residential complex in Sandton, Gauteng, where she was reportedly staying with the alleged boyfriend. Her arrest completed the investigation and paved the way for the successful possession of all 4 accused. The court found the same murder had been carefully planned, resulting in the severe sentence handed down to those involved. The case serves as another reminder of the devastating consequences of violent crime and highlights the work of South African investigators who spent more than a year piecing together evidence that ultimately secured convictions against everyone involved. What are your thoughts on these sentences? Do you believe justice has been served? Share your views in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest breaking news.